What's up, guys? I'm River Rat Productions, and I'm here with my roommate G Money, aka Grant. And we should be studying for finals, but we thought, what better way to get on the water this evening and go for some Channel Catfish? So we've been here for the last couple hours, and the bite has just been amazing. And we've caught probably 15 to 20 fish. So stay tuned for an awesome adventure. Hopefully we can get some good lighting with the GoPro, and hopefully we can get hooked up. So nothing crazy, and a fish is on right now. And it's just non-stop action. G Money's gonna get this. Every time we make an intro, you know, the rod just keeps going off.
It's on. The bite's on.
The bite is on. But anyways, stay tuned, guys. You won't be mad. We're going to catch plenty of fish. Hopefully, I'll have enough lighting for the GoPro this evening. But if anything, we're just a couple of buddies just trying to catch a fish. So stay tuned. You won't be mad. I hope not. I hope so. Heck yes. Yeah. Nice. Oh. Yes.
He's running. He's running.
Here. Nice, dude.
Dude, that thing peeled.
That did. Hold it up, dude. Nice.
We're fishing the chunk rock. Now these bass are moving up into the shallow right before the spawn. And what you're gonna want to do? Oh, jack them.
You sure?
This one's on too. Doubled up, dude.
Doubled up. Doubled up.
Dude, I'm in the tree. Oh my god.
We're doubled up right now. Oh, this is gonna be a poop show. Doubled up? You kidding me? Wow. Finally got that.
Doubled up.
Circle hook got him good, dude. Doubled up. Dude, hold on, don't throw them away. They'll live for a long time. Okay. G Money and I doubled up.
It's getting hot out here. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's getting hot out here. Cheers.
Cheers.
Nice.
Go, 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 go. Oh, yeah. Oh, freaking rights, dude.
Big old tuna.
Tuna?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Not a bad one. Bite's hot.
Bell bite.
Bell bite. See what we're catching them on here, folks? We got 15-pound braid, 2-ounce egg sinker, swivel, and a leader.
Right.
That's what you get.
Yep.
Channel.
Ooh. Perfect hook set. Pop right out.
Making noise. See ya.
Right now is finals, and it's Sunday, and we have finals tomorrow. But instead, we're getting after it. We're going for some catfish, and G Money's kind of going to go over what the beta choice is, our setup, and how many fish we caught so far. So I'm going to toss the camera to G Money. He's going to give you some insights on how to catch some channels on the river here. So here we go.
All right, so basic setup here, basic river setup, main line, running like 15-pound braid. We got a 2-ounce egg sinker, a little swivel here, and then like a foot leader. I think it's 10-pound mono.
Oh, and there's a fish.
There we go.
Here,
Bite.
you want to hold the camera?
Yep.
I might miss it. What do you think?
Yeah, sometimes they bite, sometimes they drop it.
Yeah. The bobbin. Perfect.
I don't know. I might have dropped it. That might have been a walleye. They sometimes hit it and then drop it right away.
Should I try to set it, or let's just leave it? Anyways, sorry we were rudely interrupted, but I'll take the camera again. Anyways, that's the setup, kinda. 15-pound braid, swivel, 2-pound egg sinker. No, I'm kidding, guys. Oh, it's going off. It's going off. Here, get it. Okay. We're gonna get this fish because it keeps interrupting our setup.
The cat is back.
Cat is back. Here we go. We're going for the hook set. 3, 2, and it's off.
It's off. All right.
Yep. We'll talk to you guys later.
That species of cat is actually a bush cat. All right, Ethan's hooked up with a mega.
We got a 3-pounder here. It looks confusing because it is confusing. Swimming right at me, dude. Swimming right at me. What's it doing?
Oh, great. Now we're really gonna have to replace the leader. There's a cat in the bush.
Cat dog, catfish.
Nice. We're flipping heavy brush today. One big thing is to use heavy braid when you're flipping brush like this. Getting those cats out.
Think this leader's still good? Oh, actually, pretty bad.
All right, folks. So we got the bell system going. You know, right there. Like I said, perfect for at nighttime. Cats are biting. Big hook sets, big fish. Oh, he came off.
Are you sure he came off? No way. He's on.
Back on.
Live action. Non-stop today. Nice work, Grant. Or Cat Slayer. Did you hit that? Dude, no. There's a fish on here.
Here, get it.
There's 2. Oh, dude, there's a fish on here. There's such a fish. There's such a fish. Oh my God. Non-stop. Fish on. Oh, this is big. This is big. This is big.
Really?
This is big. Oh, it's pulling drag. Oh my God, it's so big. Oh, oh, it's so big.
Alright, I gotta send this one back and I'm gonna land yours, alright?
Oh, it's so big, dude. What is this? Digging. Oh, heck yes. You can pull her in, dude, if you want. Oh. Let her run, let her run. It's a big carp, dude. Holy carpamole. Holy moly.
Dude, top lip.
Go.
Alright.
Let him run, let him run. Did he get off? He's off.
No, he's stuck.
He's stuck?
Yeah.
He's off.
No, he's stuck.
Just keep it up here?
No, get the rod, get the rod.
Yeah. Okay.
Reel in.
Okay, hold on. He is
Go
stuck.
that way.
Hold on. Should I have this like this? That way I can kind of... Okay, perfect. You hold the rod. Okay, I'll go down.
Yeah, but like...
Yeah.
Reel, get the rod out that way. Yeah, he was on.
I just feel bad about the hook. What's up, guys? You're probably like, shouldn't Ethan be fishing right now? That's fair. I just got done editing my most recent outing, specifically channel catfishing with my buddy Grant, and let me tell you, I had a blast. We caught over 30 channel cats, the occasional walleye, and just 2 massive carp. I do apologize for that last clip getting cut off so early. That carp, what happened, managed to get itself wedged into those rocks, and I tried using the rod tip to get the carp out, but it broke my line. Regardless, I had a really good time. You know, catfishing something I really don't do as often as I bass fish a lot. So catfishing was really fun to try out, and my buddy Grant has really got him dialed in. So I want to give Grant a shout out for letting me go fishing with him. I had a really good time, and yeah, give this video a like if you like catfishing. I know I like catfishing. I know I had a blast and it was something fun to do. So until next time, see you guys.